Welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you how to withdraw Sweetcoin to your PayPal.
Hi all, so according here on this help.sweatcode.in, which is the sweat coins obviously, is can I cash out my sweat coins to PayPal or bank account? So at the moment, it is not actually possible to cash out sweat coins via PayPal or bank transfer because there's no option to cash out your sweat coin balance to real money. However, if you're looking for monetary value from your steps, we'd suggest installing our sister app, which is the Sweat Wallet. From there, you can actually transfer your Sweat coins to their wallet, which allows you to walk for your very own crypto token, which is the Sweat token. You can do that you wish with your Sweat, including trading, transferring to other currencies, and even locking it up in high yield growth. That's all.